You did? Oh, smoking. I thought you... Smoking. You burn it already?
Yes, junk.
I thought you stop when it's hot. Lab!
This video is not intended for minors. This video is intended for adults 18 and above. Anything you see in this video, do not attempt or do not try at home without adult supervision if you are under the age of 18. If you're over the age of 18, still use caution and common sense. Thank you.
Today my husband gonna cut this big branch that we cut yesterday. Not we, so we hired somebody to cut this one yesterday and we forgot the camera, so we didn't took the video. So now we're gonna cut this one. It is what this, it is a, hold the one right now, what's this?
This thing's not the best thing to use on stuff like this, but I'm using it anyway because it's an angle grinder modified into a
Chainsaw.
electric chainsaw. So it's already been used a whole lot, so the chain is not 100% anymore. But I'm gonna give it a try on this. If it works, it works. Pretty good.
That's a Bosh angle grinder with a mini chainsaw attachment. It works in a small stuff. I don't know about the big one. I think it won't cut the big one. Watch the wire. Watch the wire. We cut it. You're not looking. You have to angle lagi, cut. You didn't bring the... You didn't bring your folder one? Why? The big ones on the top. Try the other one. So only put here, oh here, right here.
Huh?
There.
Get that big one.
I mean there's a small one there. Oh.
I'll get to those small ones later.
Too big? It's too big? It's too big. Don't force it. Aye.
So I can't cut those big trees.
You just use the other one, take that off. No.
You can't cut those big giant trees with something like this. This is only for light labor.
Only for lights, thin 3. Not for thick one. Now we're gonna change it to the heavy duty one. This is a Makita, what na? Makita reciprocating saw.
Hey, can I eat that pumpkin cake?
Yes. He's putting up the blade already. Here. Ah, that's small, right? Where's the long one?
This is it.
Uh-oh. Are you sure? I'm trying this one. Won't cut it? Why?
Surface plate.
I'm gonna try to cut the big branch. You want that chat? I mean, machete? It's too hard. Turn the other side, here.
Nothing wrong with this thing, this bar is too small.
Turn this side. Oh. Ah, you got that side. The other end.
Huh?
The other side.
Wait, okay.
Hold on. Chop chop it.
Huh?
And chop chop. This house is the new house that we're going to rent. We're gonna move in this house sooner. Or hapit na may mamalhindaan ni amon yung gilimpyuhan. So we have to clean this. It's our third day to clean this property. And we cut that tree. We hired somebody to cut that tree so our cargo container can get in here. But it's a wire rope. I don't know if we can get it or not. So many wires. My husband tried to cut this one because it's so big and heavy.
That's the only one we can take off. We can't cut this here with the issue of burning this thing up. It's already really hot. Hear me?
Just that one you said, because you said you're gonna roll it, right?
Bracket.
My gorgeous little one. She's playing with her. What's that?
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty. Let me see. She have two. She bought that one at 7.
Hello Kitty woman.
Okay, that's red one is the apple Hello Kitty or Hello Kitty lemon and Hello Kitty apples. Did you like the toys?
Yeah.
Every time she's seen toys, she want it.
Yeah, I always like that.
You always like them. You look dirty. Are you? Say bye. See you later. We were in this house before then. Now it come back again.
Hey, come here. Come here.
This is not really bad for but now it's kind of around. It's been 10 years since we moved out from this house.
Oh, why do I say it? Oh, why? Just say it. I can shy. Let's go on do it.
Okay, now Hercules tried to push that big log.
Yeah, everybody won't be using the video because it won't be able to move.
He'll try only though. Because our chinchu got that. It's really big and thick and heavy. Now he gonna Hercules it. Try to move that one to there. Don't break yourself also. Kinda rest a little. You can push it like this. Why not push back? Can't. Because if you push it like that, maybe too heavy. Can I roll it ba with your... See? And do it more. Yeah. Because it's a hill. Oops. Sige, try. I'll push it. Ah, it's too big. It's too heavy. It's too high. I'm gonna off the camera. I still try to cut this. Hope it works. He have to cool down that thing. What's that? Little chainsaw. So burn out the motor. Right?
So that moves
It's almost halfway in. Almost halfway. Hey, almost halfway.
When I pull this, when I raise this up, you move this and put it under this part, not that part. Burned it up, I think.
You did? Oh, smoking. I thought you... Smoking. You burn it already?
Yeah, junk.
I thought you stop when it's hot. Lab! Ano?
Ready for the garbage can.
Don't throw the chainsaw. You burn it.
Burn it up.
Now it's gone. Don't throw the chainsaw. Nasunog na.
Ha?
Nasunog.
Sunog?
Oh, wala na. Murag panggagmay naman siya nga kahoy. Good.
Yan, nasunog.
Sunog na. Ni aso. Don't throw that chainsaw, love.